Hey, hello there, Julio Lopez here. I'm here to present the second part of the shipping order DMS, which is the implementation plan. Today's day is June 1st, 2025. Okay, as described in the past presentation, the project is a DMS or data management system for managing shipping orders, and this one is going to include the following: crew operation for full support. Also, it's gonna have a logic-based shipping cost calculator where you're gonna calculate everything like the distance and the way it's gonna give you cost. Also, it's gonna have a layer structure designed for easy scaling to GUI and also for database use. On the current phase, the system is currently console-based, but structured with long-term integration goals in mind. Okay, this is a UML class diagram, and it's gonna have two classes. The main, which is gonna control the program flow and user integration. It's gonna also handle user input validation and manages the list of orders. The shipping order is gonna encapsulate order details like customer, shipper, weight, and distance. Also, it's gonna include logic for calculating shipping cost. In this diagram, like you can see on the left, also includes attributes with types and visibility, constructions and all relevant methods, relationship, uh, no static logic, very few void methods though. Now for the architecture panel, I have chosen the layer architecture. Why? Because it separates concerns and prepares the system for future GUI and database integration. So every layer contributes to a feedback loop that ensures validation, successful operation, and also clear error feedback. The layers is gonna have this one right here, the user interface, which is gonna receive input and displays results. Also UI management authorization, which validate inputs and coordinates actions. Business logic, order creation, cost calculation, system logic. Also system support. Right now it's a memory array list, and later it's gonna be okay. For the activity diagram, I spent a long time here. I apologize, you don't see the whole diagram. I mean, everything is as a whole right now, but I promise I'm gonna break it down the next slide so you can see it better. So for the activity flow motors, how a user request passes through the three functional layers. Through the UI layer, which start with the user actions like add order, right? And then going through the logic layer, which validate data, authorize access, and invokes logic. And also the data layer, which stores and manages all the order data with the constraint check. Okay, this is the UI layer breaking down like I promised. So this is the decision making layer where everything happens in the beginning. So it has different functions and processes, starting with the actions, which is gonna start adding, updating, deleting, and viewing order. Also, it's gonna have the format validation, using the format validation and format valid decision points. Also, it's gonna have error handlings, which is gonna show format error, authorization error, and operation errors. Also for feedback, it's gonna show confirmation, success notification, and detailed error. And also, okay, for the logic layer, this one is gonna receive clean and validates input. It's gonna have an authorization check. It's gonna filter access. Also, it's gonna have a logic method invoked, directs the system to the appropriate function. Also, it's gonna have business validation. It's gonna check for logic rules like weight and distance. And the result is gonna be directed either to the database or to operation error. My favorite layer, data layer. Here the data operation performs the storage or retrieval logic. Also the database constraints, check, simulates, enforcing uniqueness or value limits. And here once does that process is gonna output two options. It's gonna be either data operation success, which is gonna send a confirmation, or data operation failure. It's gonna trigger operation error. Coding strategy, the DMS system is gonna be using a layer architecture like before mentioned, which is gonna be supported by strong OOP principles. The UI layer, which is currently on click based, using a scanner and system out, is gonna evolve to use JavaFX GUI with button forms and table view for displaying orders, like I said. The logic layer, which is the core logic, is gonna be handling in main and shipping order. It uses encapsulation, instance method, and an array list for shipping order. For dynamic storage, it's ready for polymorphic extension. For the data layer, currently it's using an in-memory list, but it is designed for MySQL integration via JDBC. Future ready for loading, validating, and persisting data to a structured database. Okay, this is the fun part, GUI and database integration, which is gonna be the phase 3 and phase 4. For the GUI, which is gonna have the button for each CRUD function. Also, it's gonna have a table to display order summaries. So you can see a sample of it on the back. Also, it's gonna have a dialog boxes for errors and confirmations. What I intend to do is like I don't wanna add so much details on the window, and so it doesn't look crowded. I'm gonna minimize what you see on the window to make it user friendly. So when you hit, for example, create, a window is gonna pop up, and for each. Okay, this is the end of the presentation. I hope you like my second part of the shipping order DMS. How I think this is a project that is gonna be very useful. I have a lot of hope on it, so I'm very excited to see the end of the product once it's deployed. Also, if you have any questions, you can reach me out to my personal website to lopezbio.com. I have a blog section there, and also if you want to contact me, you can send me an email, and also reach me out to the social media listed on my personal website. Again, it's lopezbio.com. Thank you and have a good day.